In this video, you'll learn how to change your store name on Stan Store. By following these steps, you will successfully update your store's public name, making it more reflective of your brand or offerings. Begin by navigating to the Stan Store website and ensure you are logged into your account. Once you are signed in, look for the left sidebar on your dashboard. This sidebar contains various options to manage your store. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Settings in the left sidebar. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can adjust several aspects of your store's profile. Stay on the Profile tab, which should be the default view when you access the settings. Here you will find various fields related to your account information, including your store name. Look for the field labeled Username, Store Name. This is where your store's current public name is displayed. Click inside this field to edit it. Enter your new store name in the provided field. Make sure that the name you choose accurately represents your store and is easy for customers to remember. Consider any character limits that may apply. After entering your new name, find the Save button located at the bottom or top right of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your store name has been successfully updated. If your new store name does not appear immediately, refresh the page to ensure the changes take effect. It is important to remember that your store name is visible to all customers, so choose wisely to enhance your brand's visibility.